Updating your payout destination on Coinbase is essential for ensuring that your funds are sent to the correct account. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open a mobile app and log in using your credentials. Ensure that you have access to your account for security verification. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option. On the website, this is usually found in the upper right corner under your profile icon. In the app, you can find it in the menu. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the /com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update your payout destination. Choose the payout destination you wish to update. Click on the option to edit or remove it. If you are adding a new destination, follow the prompts to enter the required information such as bank account details or other payment methods. Step 5. Save changes. After making your updates, ensure you save the changes. You may need to verify your identity or confirm the changes via email or SMS for security purposes. Once you have completed these steps, your payout destination will be updated. Always double-check your information to avoid any issues with future transactions.